This scene made me confused for the physics.
Fire phasers. Fire phasers.
So
What's confusing?
my question is, why did we see those phasers? We shot
Talking
lasers or
about-
phasers. We shoot them off into space. What are we seeing?
Gosh. So you're saying these phasers,
Yep.
they are, okay, I don't know how many they're shooting. They're light.
I guess. Right.
And so when light goes through a vacuum, there's nothing for the light to reflect off of. So unless the light is going like into your sensor,
Your eyes,
see it.
your sensor. Yeah.
if it's off the sensor, you see nothing because the light is just going right on by. You don't see it.
Just like a regular laser, like if it's pointing right at you, you see it, but it's pointing off to the side, you don't really see it. And that's in
That's right.
air where there's little dust particles that can reflect the light. Or if,
right.
if you go to one of these star viewing, which I super recommend, go to these star parties and they'll have a green laser. It's like, this star's over there. And this star is over there. And you can see like the green laser coming out and it hits dust particles. You can see the reflections coming into you, to your eye. But this is space. You don't have the air. So what are we seeing?
Does that mean that the phasers are so powerful that they're somehow ionizing space itself? Like particle, antiparticle creation as the photon rips through space?
Okay. Yeah. So if there's no atmosphere, then you can't ionize the gas. If you ionize the gas, you could see the plasma shooting off light. But there's no gas. There's no atmosphere. But what you could have is just a sufficiently high energy density that you create pair production. So it could be an electron and a positron with anti-electron, or it could be a proton and an antiproton, or some type of particle and its antiparticle. And then once the two particles are made, they have some probability which they could shoot out into space. And so that is what we're seeing.
Maybe. Which I guess now that I think about it, as the phasers are shot, they come in with a huge amount of energy. They're ionizing, and getting attenuated as they progress through space. At some point, it's going to drop below a certain energy and they'll be invisible again, right?
So that's like the weapons range.
That would be like something like the weapons range. And that would be determined, the attenuation rate would be determined by the power output of the phaser and kind of the properties of space itself. That's kind of cool.
Cool. We could use phasers to experiment and do some discovery of the fabric of space. Just directly.
That's right. Oh yeah, that's Starfleet research. Get on it.
Weapons research for science research.